You are watching Adobe After Effects FXtreme Tutorials, Pilipinas.
Learn Rotation Tool the easy way. Rotation tool is used to rotate any object, text, or image inside the composition panel. Drag and drop the wheel inside the composition panel. Click the arrow of the wheel layer. To see the changes in value of ratio, select Rotation tool. Hold-click the wheel and drag it anywhere you want. You may also change the value inside the layer. Simply slide it to left or right. The number on the left is the number of revolution.
One revolution is equal to 360 degree, one full spin or orbit.
Let's try a simple animation. Click the stopwatch of the position and rotation. Adjust the position of the wheel. Move the time indicator forward. Adjust the position of the wheel. Hit Alt to move it 10 times faster. Adjust the value of rotation. Move the time indicator backward. Move the time navigator end to where the motion ends. In order to make a looping, hit space to play the animation. Learn Camera Tool the easy way. Camera Tool is used to simulate a real camera. It allows you to zoom, rotate, and create cinematic motion. Go to Layer, New, Camera. Click OK. Click the arrow of the camera layer. Click the Unified Camera tool. Hold-click the text to see the effect. This allows us to orbit, pan, and zoom. Next is Orbit Camera tool. This allows us to spin around the text. Next is Track XY Camera tool. This allows us to move the text left, right, up, or down. Last is Track Z Camera tool.
This allows us to move further or nearer to the camera.
Learn Pan Behind tool the easy way. Pan Behind tool, or anchor point, is the center point where transformation happens. Select the Pan Behind tool. Select the wheel. Click the arrow at the wheel layer and go to Transform. To change the value of the anchor point, the plus icon is the anchor point. Click and drag the anchor point. Then go to Rotation and change the value. Also try to change the scale value. As we can see, transform follows the position of the anchor point. To place the anchor point at the center is simple. Hold Ctrl to snap on corners or center point. You may also turn on the snapping to snap in edges and in other layers.
Hi, my name is Mel Gibson Robert. I'm sharing my knowledge about Adobe After Effects tutorials. Please subscribe at FXtreme YouTube channel.